Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Preshy Godwin. In today's video, we want to learn how to remove background from your videos without internet. And today we're going to take you step by step on how you're going to do this. You're going to remove your background, put in another background, so you won't have any fear of where to stay to make videos. You can make your video anywhere and you can remove the background confidently and change it to the background of your choice. Without wasting time, let's go down to the screen. We're going to use a website called CapCut. So what we have to do now is to click on CapCut. Open. When it open like this, you have to click on the new project. When you click on new project, we'll first go to photos. You click on your photos, find any background of your choice and put in. For example, let me just use this my background here. You add it. When you add this background here, it's going to be a background here. Then now you want to upload your video that you want to remove the background. What you have to do is to click on overlay. When you click on overlay, you add overlay. Then that is when we'll go to video. We'll just choose any little video here to practice, see how it goes. Let me just find a very short video. All right, let's just use this one. For example, this one now, we're going to add it. Then how you're going to remove your background now from this video? If you check, you can move it up and down, sideways, anywhere you want to move it to. But how you're going to remove the background of this video now is to come down to this place, to this menu. You click on this background. If you check, I'm not using any data for it. I'm just putting it like that, and it's removing by itself without data. You don't have to on your internet. This is just a free application for offline video removal, offline video background removal. So you don't have to on your data to do this. It has already removed. What you have to do is to drag it to where you want it to be. This is exactly how it will be. If you play it now, it's going to play without anything. See how the thing came out here. So now you can stay anywhere and download your videos or make videos anywhere you are, and you have confidence that there is an app that you can log into and remove the background without fear. And this particular app now, you download it through Google Play Store. I will drop the link in the description in case you want to register in this app, so that you can register through there and you download the app. Then you can change your background anytime, so you can stay anywhere to do the videos and change the background without fear. And it's going to, let's play it and see example, see how it is now. Look at it. You see, just playing without any background, any sign of background on it. What you have to do is that as this background is like this, if you want to add background to all the video, as you remove it, the length of the video, what you have to do is to click on this plus icon. When you click on this plus icon, you go back to the background. We'll go back to photo. That is where we got the background. This is the background here. You click on it again, add. It will add to the background. If you check it, it's two background here now. So you will add it till the end of your video. And when you finish, it's very easy. This is a video. I've used it to do some of my videos that I uploaded here. When you finish, what you have to do is, when you are okay, if you want to use internet, there are other features you can add, but this is just a feature without an internet. So when you finish here, what you have to do is to click on download this place here. Once you click here, it's going to download to your phone. Then when you download it to your phone, you can use it for whatever you want to use it. Maybe on Instagram, you can use it on Facebook, you can use it on Twitter, anywhere you feel you want to use it, or even for your birthday, maybe you want to make a video or put animations or anything you want to do there. There is still animations. There are other applications you can put there, like animation, like split, anything you want to do is just in this CapCut. So guys, that is what I have for you today. If you enjoyed this video and you find this video informative, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification button so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be updated. Thank you.